guys, in this video I'll review of this Urban Company native M2 model. So I'll tell you all the things in this video, and after that you can decide you should purchase this product or not. So I'll tell you how you can connect this product with your phone, because this product has some features. You can connect your phone to this product and you can see the water level and everything, and all the things I will tell you, like how technician will come and install all the things, and from where I purchase, and how you can get it in less amount. So all the things I will tell you in details. So guys, first of all I want to tell you from where I purchase. So I purchase it from Amazon, because here I was seeing like here is the less price than its own website, because I visited Urban Company's own website and there the price was showing 18,400 around, something like that. But when I came to Amazon, so that time I saw the price is like 17,600. Few amount I got less in Amazon, so I bought it from Amazon. Another thing, that's why I bought it from Amazon, because in Amazon I was getting exchange offer. So I exchanged my old filter from in Amazon, so I got 1,000 discount more. So that's why I bought it from Amazon. So if you want to buy it from Amazon, so you can do that, or else if you want to buy it from its own website, so you can visit Urban Company's website. Simply just type Urban Company in Google, so it will redirect to its website, and from there you can buy as well. But I will suggest you to buy it from Amazon. Both are fine. Now you can decide from where you want to buy. So when I buy this product in Amazon, so that time I got a message in WhatsApp, and also I got a mail from Amazon Company, even the Urban Company, like when the product will deliver and also when the technician will come. So both, like Amazon and also the Urban Company, both inform me after buying this product. You no need to do anything, just buy from it Amazon or its own website. So they will message you, means if you log in by your mail ID, or if you have login by phone number, so what I mean by which you have login, so in that contact they will send you message or mail. Okay, so don't worry about this one. And that service is very good. Technician came to the same time whatever they promised, and also the same day technician came and installed it, and the behavior is very good. So no doubt about this one. So now I'll tell you the water quality and the other features of this product. So here guys, I hope you know when you just pour the water in glass or into glass or bottle, so that time it wastes some water. Okay, so every water purifier, it wastes some water after filtering the water. So when you pour the water into your glass or bottle, so that time it's vacuum some water. So that time it's pour the another water from your tap to filter, and then it start to the processing of filter, and then it wastes some water. Okay, that is the common thing of every water purifier. But here the another features is that is auto clean. Auto clean means after pouring the water into your glass or bottle, so it auto clean your filter after every 30 minutes. Okay, that is the good features of this filter, and by these features you no need to service every year. So you can service it after every 2 years, and the price is very less, that is 4,000. After every 2 years you have to provide 4,000 for servicing. But in another filter you have to provide 4,000 every year, but here you have to provide 4,000 after every 2 years. So you are saving 2,000 money in this filter. Okay, so that is the another benefit, and the water quality is very good, I will tell you. But here the another features, first of all you have to see, that is here you can see the one drawer option, means you no need to hold your glass or bottle. So this is a little bit hard, so just you have to pull it and you have to push it after pouring the water. So here you can pull this drawer. This is a little bit hard, but after using a few months then it will be easy. And now here I'll put this glass here, and here is the three icons: glass, bottle, and this water drop icon. So this water drop icon has two features. So first of all, the first thing I will tell you, the glass will provide up to 300 ml water and the bottle it will provide around 700 ml. I know this exactly it provides 700 ml, but the glass I have doubt. I don't know exact how much it provide, but I think it is 300 ml or 250 ml it provide. But this water drop icon if you press, then it will provide up to 4 liter. Okay, so now here I'm using glass, so I will press this glass icon. Okay, so now if I press the glass icon, so you no need to press again, because it will pour the water exact to the glass size. Okay, but in middle if you want to stop it, so you can press the same icon again. Now I will press this glass icon, so you can see here it will pour the water exact up to the glass, and then it will stop automatically. See, it stopped automatically. But in middle if you want to stop it, so you can press this glass icon. I will show you again. Press and stop. Okay, again press, then it will stop. Okay, so now here the water quality is very good, and I want to show you how this water wasting thing. So here you can see I have one pipe from here, it's wasting some water, because now it poured some water into the glass, so like few water it will go to the filter again, and it will start the processing of filter. So when it will start to process the filter thing, then it will waste some water. So that is the common thing, I hope you know. Okay, but in the same from the same pipe, it will when it will auto clean after every 30 minutes, what I already told. So in this, from the same pipe it will waste some few more water. That is the benefit of this filter. Okay, so now here this thing, and here I told you like this water drop has some other features too. Like here you can connect your phone to this filter. Okay, so for that purpose, if you want to connect from your Wi-Fi, okay, so that time you have to press this icon for 5 seconds, and your phone should be distance within 5 feet. Okay, and you have to open the Urban Company app, and then it will connect. But I won't connect at this time. Okay, but I'll tell you like other thing, because connection doesn't important, but you have to know like if you have any fault in this filter after installing, then how you can connect with technician again. So that is the main thing. So that thing I'll tell you. Connection means if you connect with your filter to your phone, then simply just you can see the water quality, the TDS, how much TDS it's providing. So those things you can see, but other thing is the main thing, so that I'll tell you. So now I'll tell you how you can connect with your phone, but I won't connect, but I will tell you because I already have connected. So I'll tell you just how you can connect to the technician, and you just want to tell the issue about your filter to the technician, how you can do that, because this is much important. So here first of all you have to download one app. You can see this is the app Urban Company. How you can download, so that I will tell you also. So simply you have to go to the Play Store. If you are using iOS, means Apple phone, that also you can do that. So I'm recording from Apple's phone, so that, and I downloaded this app into my Android phone, because here why I downloaded this app into Android phone, that I will tell you, because Apple supports 5G network, right? But it doesn't support 2G network. But when you want to connect this filter to your iPhone, so it won't connect, because this filter supports only 2G network, right? It doesn't support 5G, right, filter. So that is one disadvantage. But we don't use the phone, because you cannot control. You just see like your water TDS, that thing, right? So that is the one disadvantage you can say, but not that much. Like water quality is good and the other thing is good, so I will suggest you to purchase this filter. So now here just simply you have to type Urban Company. This one you have to type, and here is the app. You just download and install. So I already downloaded, just I will open. So you have to log in by your phone number. So I already log in, so it's opening like that way, and it will connect your location. It will ask to allow your location, so you have to allow, and it will connect. And after that, here in the bottom you will get one option. So just I will show you. I don't know you can see or not. So here you can see two options, one is your account and another one is native. So this account will be created by your technician. When technician will come to install, so that time he will create your account. So okay, so that time you can see the option, you can see all those two options. So suppose here technician will explain all the thing, but suppose after installing you forgot that thing, so that's why I'm telling you. So here you can click this option native. So close this ad, right? Here you have to click this native, and here you can see the product which I bought, native M2, and you can see the TDS, it is showing 25 to 50, which is excellent. So just click here, and here you can see 25 to 50 TDS means it is excellent. And here you can see all the things which is perfect in my filter, pre-filter, sediment filter, everything you can see it is perfect. And you can see water consumption daily average, means how much water I pour into bottle or whatever you can say. So it is average 7 liter for me, that's also it is showing. And everything you will get. Now here the one thing is help, you can go to help. Okay, here in the right side, I don't know you see or not because I'm holding phone and I'm using tripod, I don't know I can show you perfectly or not. So here is the help button, so you have to click the help button, and after that here you can see few options. You can see I need help with the same issue, I need help with a different issue. So here it will provide some auto generated chat, so you can click according to your requirement, and it will you can connect with the technician. Here you can see I want to talk to an agent, all the things you will get it. So here you can click whatever you want. Okay, so you can connect with technician. Now go to back, and here you can explore this app, you will get all the things actually. Okay, so here back an account, here you can see my bookings, native device, everything you will get, and the logout option. Okay, so here native device, this one it will open. Okay, so no more, you can see here what I was trying to show you. So here other filter sometimes it doesn't alkaline, it provide alkaline water. Alkaline water means when it purify your water, so that time it is remove the calcium which is required for our body, remove calcium, copper, okay, which is helpful for our body. So that materials also it remove from the water, but which is not good, right? So but this filter doesn't. So here you can see calcium, copper, magnesium, all the things it will provide, and that is called alkaline water. So when you will pour the water into a glass, sometimes you may see white particles. So don't worry about it, that is the calcium, it doesn't dissolve into water properly. So sometimes it may float, but that is beneficial for your body, right? So don't worry about it. So here you can see that option also, 0 to 250 TDS means excellent, 250 to 350 it is good, and above 350 it is poor. So when your in the app it will show your water TDS is 350, that means you are facing some issue into your water quality. So you can connect to your technician. Even other if you have any other problem, sometimes after installing you may see the water leakage from the tap of the filter. So that purpose also you can connect with your technician easily. So I already had shown like how you can connect. So hope this video is helpful. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section and I'll tell you how you can solve that.